Every thought activates a specific kind of vibration. The more you think a specific thought, the more of that kind of vibration it creates. A small thought, when consistently focused on, becomes larger and more powerful over time. It generates emotional vibrations of a specific kind, and according to the law of attraction, every vibration created attracts vibrations of similar nature back to you. Consider yourself as a magnet, attracting all that you think and feel about every single moment. You always attract what you think and feel, regardless of whether you want it or not. If you feel poor, you cannot attract money. If you feel like a failure, success will always elude you. This is the essence of the law of attraction. So now let's understand how thoughts play into the law of attraction. The law of attraction responds to your thoughts at all times. These could be thoughts about your past, your present, or your future. Your thoughts activate a vibration which the law responds to in your present, right now. Let's say you had an argument with someone in the past. Recalling it now is activating those vibrations in your present, affecting your current point of attraction. Your now is the foundation of the law of attraction. So our job is to focus only on those thoughts that align with our desire. These thoughts in turn generate positive vibrations that will affect your point of attraction. Every thought, every moment is affecting what you will get in life. The more you focus on your desire, the more likely you will get it. You thus can create your own reality by gaining control over your thoughts. Most of us accept everything that comes into our experience without giving it much thought. This includes things that we want as well as things we do not want. By not being intentional with our thoughts, we create by default. However, we have to become a deliberate creator, and that happens when we purposefully and intentionally direct our thoughts to only those things that we want to experience.